What is good, y'all? It is time, man. It's hunt season is finally here, man. This morning, me, my boy Larry, my little brother, someone else that y'all gonna meet real soon. We're gonna go shoot some doves, man. It is Saturday, the weekend finally. Dove opened the first here in Ohio on September 1st, which was Tuesday. Today is actually early teal and goose opener. Just don't got a spot for them, but it's all good. So we're just gonna go smash some doves up behind the farm. It should be a good one, man. Where we're going, he said he's been seeing him flying around all week. So we're excited. Like I said, we're about to go pick up my little brother, head up there, but it should be a good one, y'all. Stay tuned. What are you doing? What are you doing? What? What? Oh snap.
Charlie May.
What's up, dude? Easy killer, easy. Oh, y'all, I got like 40 some minutes so we can shoot. So we're just gonna hang out for a little bit, but get y'all back out here when the sun comes up a little bit. All right, y'all, sun's coming up. You can see we had a real far walk to the spot, literally house, barn. This is where it's gonna go down at.
Pizza.
Larry's eating pizza. But no, we're about to get these mojos set up real quick. Get some chairs, sit in, and sit a little while and see what flies. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. There we go. Now we're talking. Oh, I gotta get these mojos set up, y'all. I'll be back with y'all in a sec.
Brought steel shot up. Hey, where are them? Backwards.
I thought the same thing. I just didn't want to be the one.
There, you need to watch that gap right over your shoulder. That's where the bee came. Yeah.
Yeah, that's where they came from right there.
When I first saw him, you could have reached out and grabbed him. The hawk better stay away from my mojos. Remember that day we were at Davies? Who was it?
Right here. 3 of them. See them dipping?
Yep. Oh gosh. Oh goodness. Don't get too excited, but they're coming. Holy cow. Lost them. Oh, are those doves? No, they're not doves. Ooh, scared me.
Had me all excited.
Larry almost blasted a blackbird.
Larry was ready to pull up.
They ain't even flying yet.
I got a feeling that when we do shoot like a good shot or whatever, and she sees one drop, you're gonna see me getting drugged through weeds.
He ain't gonna do it. He ain't gonna. Oh, come, circle him back. Watch him. Watch him. Somebody see him?
Yeah.
You coming?
No.
Dang it.
Hey, one's gonna fly in, Bob's gonna shoot it. You're gonna see his mojo explode off the top of the thing.
Yeah. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. They ain't never been this shy of us.
Comes back.
We might need to slide down then, so you can get a better angle on them. Right out front. Right out front. Right out front. Dead bird. Woohoo! First bird of the 2020-2021.
Good girl, Harley. Good girl.
Take daddy, look.
Good girl.
Look what I found.
R.I.P. to Bob's decoy. You put me in front of the wrong decoy.
Sit down.
Right here, on your left. Never mind, going away. Oh gosh, he's real stupid. Woohoo, we suck. They're right here, they're right here, they're right here. Shoot him, shoot him, shoot him. Oh my goodness.
Another one back here. Going away.
We're good for a second?
No? Yeah? I don't know what that is. If I yell duck, I'm not talking about the bird.
If I yell duck, I'm not talking about the bird. Get some of these bad boys out here in the sun. Oh my gosh! Ah!
Bob, to your right.
Yeah, bring her. Harley! I got a very rough mark. Harley!
Dimmer.
Harley, come on! Come on! Harley, come on! Come on! Harley, dead bird, come on! I need some help finding. Come on. Come on. The other one's over here somewhere. It was flying that way, but it was like right here somewhere. Anybody got a mark on the first one? All right, y'all. Just smoked two. Only could find one. This stuff is really thick. Couldn't get the dog over quick enough. And then we were all walking around. It's all right. The birds don't be flying. They just oh gosh. Oh, never mind. Dang, freaking blackbirds. Got me again. Larry, over your shoulder, over your shoulder, over your shoulder, over your shoulder. Kill him. There you go.
Oh my God, Larry, if you don't smoke him.
Straight out.
Yep. Make sure you bring
On the
some
left.
Hey, Bob.
I ain't scared.
Bob. Shoot that.
You're welcome.
I got him. What the hell?
There's still a few of them flying around, y'all. Just slowed down though. I think we got what, 10, 11? Not terrible, but not great. But I done went through like 3 batteries trying to record. Check the cam's dead. I got a few cool shots on there, but I think I'm gonna call this video a wrap right here. Unless something crazy happens. But appreciate y'all watching, man. Like I said, hunt season just opened. Hunting season just opened. They just shot one. So more videos like this coming soon. Appreciate y'all watching. Peace.